Are you tired of complex business strategies that seem to require a degree in rocket science to execute? Do you want to start a business but don't have the time or resources for an elaborate setup? Well, you're in luck. In this article, we'll explore 3 stupidly simple business ideas that have the potential to make $10,000 per month or more, along with real-life examples to inspire you. Online consulting service. With the rise of remote work and digital communication tools, starting an online consulting service has never been easier. Whether you're an expert in marketing, finance, HR, or any other field, there are people out there willing to pay for your advice. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and your expertise. Example: Sarah, a former HR manager, started offering remote HR consulting services to small businesses. Example: Sarah, a former HR manager, started offering remote HR consulting services to small businesses. She created a website showcasing her experience and services, networked on LinkedIn, and joined online business communities. Within a few months, she was booking clients and making over $10,000 per month. E-commerce store. Thanks to platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, setting up an e-commerce store requires minimal technical skills. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, dropshipping products, or digital downloads, the online marketplace is vast and ripe with opportunities. Example: John had a passion for woodworking and decided to turn it into a business. He started an online store selling custom-made wooden furniture and home decor. Through social media marketing and word-of-mouth referrals, his business gained traction, and he soon surpassed the $10,000 per month mark in sales. Freelance writing or content creation. If you have a way with words, freelance writing or content creation can be a lucrative business. Businesses of all sizes need content for their websites, blogs, social media, and marketing materials. As a freelancer, you have the flexibility to choose your clients and projects, allowing you to focus on topics that interest you. Example: Emily had always enjoyed writing and decided to freelance as a content creator. She pitched her services to small businesses, startups, and online publications. By consistently delivering high-quality content and building long-term relationships with clients, she steadily grew her income to over $10,000 per month. Key strategies for success. Identify a niche. Find a specific market or industry where you can offer specialized expertise or products. This will help you stand out from the competition and attract your ideal customers. Build your online presence. Invest time and effort into creating a professional website and optimizing your social media profiles. Showcase your skills, experience, and past successes to build credibility and attract clients. Provide exceptional value. Focus on delivering exceptional value to your customers through high-quality products or services, excellent customer service, and personalized attention. Happy customers are more likely to refer others and become repeat buyers. Market your business. Utilize online marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, content marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO, to reach your target audience and generate leads. Experiment with different strategies to see what works best for your business. Focus on scaling. Once you've established a successful business model and are consistently making $10,000 per month or more, explore opportunities for scaling your business further. This could involve hiring additional help, expanding into new markets, or diversifying your product or service offerings. In conclusion, starting a successful business doesn't have to be complicated. By focusing on simple yet profitable business ideas and implementing key strategies for success, you can achieve your financial goals and create the lifestyle you desire. So why wait? Take action today and turn your business dreams into reality.